Hey there Safari fam, welcome back to No.3 Africa. I'm Rahul, and as always, welcome back to the Southern African Bird Calls Challenge, challenge number 3. If this is your first time seeing this video, go back to the No.3 Africa homepage and click on the first video to start this challenge from the beginning. If you've been playing along, you know the rules. You're welcome to pause or rewind if you feel you need to listen to the call again, but no checking your bird apps for audio identification. The Newman's Birds of Southern Africa app is, in my opinion, one of the best apps for beginner and amateur birders. Without any further ado, the 15 calls are about to start. Enjoy. And now for the answers. Easy 1, African fish eagle. Easy 2, double-banded sandgrouse. Easy 3, helmeted guinea fowl. Easy 4, Hadida ibis. Easy 5, blue crane. Medium 1, pearl spotted owlet. Medium 2, wattled starling. Medium 3, common scimitar. Medium 4, red-billed buffalo weaver. And medium 5, southern yellow-billed hornbill. Hard call 1, tawny flanked prenia. Hard 2, African spoonbill. Hard 3, rufous naped lark. Hard 4, African jacana. Hard 5, white-throated robin. The blue crane, also known as the paradise crane, is the national bird of South Africa. The long, dark feathers behind them are actually part of their wing feathers, just folded back, and not their tail feathers. If you enjoy all things safari related, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified every time I release a new video, and give this video a like. Cheers, see you next time.